Hey guys, this is Pabbly Connect workshop. In this video, you will learn how to integrate You Can Book Me to Google Sheets. You Can Book Me is an awesome scheduling software and Google Sheets is an online spreadsheet program. So basically what we are trying to do is anytime a booking is cancelled in You Can Book Me, the data will be immediately inserted into Google Sheets. But there is one minor problem. You Can Book Me and Google Sheets are two different companies, hence there is no data flow between them. In cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. In this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate You Can Book Me to Google Sheets. It is actually an easy two-step process. Let me show you how it's done. So first of all, you have to visit the website called as Pabbly Connect. This is the website. Here click on Sign In. So when you click on Sign In, you will be brought to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have an account in Pabbly Connect. You can build your own account in just 2 minutes. Now bring your attention to this part called as Connect. Here click on Access Now. At the right corner you will find a button called as Create Workflow. Just click it. When you click on this button, a dialog box appears in front of you. This is demanding to enter a name. I'm going to give it as You Can Book Me to Google Sheets. You Can Book Me to Google Sheets. Then click on Save. When you click on Save, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the Choose app, change it from Webhook to You Can Book Me. In the Choose method, we have to change it from the default New Booking to Cancelled Booking. Basically, it means that whenever there is a booking cancelled in You Can Book Me, the system will trigger. Essentially, we are trying to connect You Can Book Me to Pabbly Connect. So let's go to You Can Book Me. As you can see, these are all sorts of booking I have. I'm more interested in this, yoga sessions. Okay, so bring your attention to this part called as notifications. Click on notifications and scroll down to this part, if booking cancelled. These are a series of actions. Click this and click on this plus button. When you click this, a pop-up appears. So basically it is asking that if booking is cancelled, what action should be taken? For example, should it send an email or an SMS? But we are interested to get the data in Google Sheets. That is why we are going to click on Webhooks. In the webhook name, let's keep it as Booking Cancelled API Call. And when will the webhook will be triggered? Let's keep it as 0 minutes. Now coming to the most important part, the URL. To get the URL, just go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL you want and paste it here. In the HTTP method, change it from get to post. Then click on Save Changes. Okay, so it is showing that the changes has been made. So basically we have connected You Can Book Me to Pabbly Connect. Now let's see whether Pabbly Connect can capture any data from You Can Book Me. To do that, let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on Capture Webhook Response. Okay, it is showing that it is waiting for a webhook response. So let's go to You Can Book Me. Let's go to the dashboard and let's cancel a booking. Yoga session it is, right? So these are the bookings. Okay, so these are the sessions and I'm going to cancel this one with Rini. So I'm going to cancel this. Cancel booking. Okay, it is showing that the booking has been cancelled. So let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured the data. So yes, the data has been captured. The first name is Rini. The email is rinnymatthew23@gmail.com and cancelled by the owner. So basically it means that we have successfully connected You Can Book Me to Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Connect has captured the data from You Can Book Me. Now we have to sync this data to Google Sheets. To do that, just click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the action window. Here in the Choose app, change it from API to Google Sheets. In the Choose method, let's keep it as Add New Row. So obviously you have a question why we are keeping the Choose method as Add New Row. Well, to explain that, let me show you my Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet. It has been named Yoga Sessions Cancelled and these are the rows adjacent to each other: name, email, date of booking and end time. So the reason I kept the method as Add Row is because data will be automatically inserted into adjacent rows one by one. For example, the first row is the name. Then the second row is the email, the date of booking and the end time. So the data will be inserted one by one in adjacent rows. Okay, so let's go back to Pabbly Connect and click on Connect. In the previous credentials, let's keep it as new credentials. In the authorized application, just click on Connect. Okay, so these are the series of Google accounts I have, but only in this account I have my Google Sheet, that particular Google Sheet called as Yoga Sessions Cancelled. Click this and it is asking me to confirm my choice. Just click on Allow. Okay, it is showing that the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. When you click on OK, you see a set of blanks. The purpose of this blank is we are going to map in the data so that it can be directly entered into Google Sheets. For example, in the spreadsheet, it is showing content marketing for SaaS software. This is actually one of the spreadsheet inside my Google account. So I actually want this sheet, Yoga Sessions Cancelled. So let's change it to Yoga Sessions Cancelled. Okay, in the sheet it is showing as sheet 1. That is because there is only one sheet called as sheet 1. Okay, so coming to the name, we have to map the name. So the name is Rini, the first name, that is Rini. The email, let's map in the email, that is rinnymatthew23@gmail.com. Date of booking, let's see. Okay, this is the date of booking, and the end time, this is the end time. Okay, then we have basically mapped all the details. Let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, the API response is showing that the data has been given to Google Sheets. So let's see whether in the Yoga Sessions Cancelled Google Sheet we have this data or not. So let's go to Google Sheets. Yes, the data has arrived. This is the name Rini, the email rinnymatthew23@gmail.com. This is the date of booking and this is the end time. The presence of this data in Google Sheets shows that we have successfully connected You Can Book Me to Google Sheets with help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a booking is cancelled, the data will be automatically inserted in Google Sheets. But for your satisfaction, let's check it one more time if the integration is working fine or not. To do that, let's go to Pabbly Connect and let's save this. Okay, minimize this. Save this, okay, and minimize this. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First we integrated You Can Book Me to Pabbly Connect, and then we integrated Pabbly Connect to Google Sheets. So now there is a perfect flow of data between You Can Book Me to Google Sheets. So let's go to You Can Book Me and cancel one more session. Okay, I'm going to cancel this session, George and Yoga Sessions. Cancel this, cancel booking. The booking has been cancelled. So let's see whether we have got the data of George in our Google Sheets. So yes, we have got the data. The name is George. The email is georgemash123@gmail.com. This is the date of booking and this is the end time. So our integration is working absolutely fine. So from now onwards, whenever a booking is cancelled in your You Can Book Me account, the data will be reflected in Google Sheets also. Also, you should know not just You Can Book Me on Google Sheets, you can integrate a ton of applications using Pabbly Connect. Thanks.